Hey everybody, this is Paul Heidema. I was thinking about how my career has shifted and the learning I've been gaining over the last, let's say, a few weeks, even though I've been doing this whole coaching, consulting, training thing for 17 years. In the last few weeks, I've been spending a lot more time on thinking about massive goals and massive actions. Now you might be wondering, why are you doing this, Paul? Why do you need to have massive actions and massive goals? Well, we've been taught from early childhood, in our schooling, in our work, that to be realistic, make smart goals. Make sure you manage those expectations. Make sure they're realistic. Make sure they're not too large. Make sure you can hit them. The problem with that is that when you shoot small, you hit small. You only come up with a small gain, a small learning. So, based on some learning from a bunch of people, and one that I find really fascinating around the 10X rule from Grant Cardone, this idea of massive goals and massive actions. So with that in mind, I identified, I think it was 3 massive goals that I wanted to do. One around properties, one around wealth, one around what I'm trying to do around leadership, education in the world. And then I identified a bunch of massive actions I would take. That led me to adjust my goals to be to be 2 instead of 3, to be a little more focused. And the action I took a few weeks ago were to reach out to 100 people each day as a way to connect with them and learn with them and find out what are the most important things that they're dealing with as leaders and people managers. In 1 week, I reached out to about a little less than 400 people. And because my message and my way of connecting with people, I guess, was pretty fruitful or very palatable for people to digest and connect with, I got overwhelmed by the amount of people that wanted to have a chat with me. So I had to switch my actions to following up and scheduling and so on. And that led me to all kinds of amazing conversations and potential for what I'm trying to do. So it shifted my day. Now what I do is every morning, even if I'm not feeling great, every morning I write down a quote that connects with what's important to me or which helps inspire me. I write down my massive goals every day. And then I write down my massive actions that I will take that will help me move that way. And I picked goals that were way larger than is possible, or at least seem possible at this current stage in my life. So I recommend you do the same. If you have any questions, you can let me know, of course. I hope you have a wonderful week.